All of you welcome in our next period, Maths paper 1 complex analysis. We will see the proposition, that is the theorem. For any given circles gamma and gamma dash in C infinity, there is a Mobius transformation T such that T of tau equal to tau dash. Furthermore, we can specify that T take any 3 points on gamma onto any 3 points on gamma dash. If I do specify Tz for j equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, then T is unique. We have to prove that T is unique. Proof. Let tau and tau dash be the two circles in C infinity. Let Z2, Z3, Z4 belongs to tau and Y, and again W2, W3, W4 belongs to tau dash. Put Rz equal to this Z1, Z, Z2, Z3, Z4, and Z equal to Z, W2, W3, W4. Then we have T equal to S inverse dot R maps gamma into gamma dash. We have T Z equal to Wj for j equal to 2, 3, 4. Similar to previous theorem, proof we get T of tau equal to tau dash, which is the result of the theorem, result of the proposition. Then symmetry principle, which is given by if a Mobius transformation T takes a circle tau 1 onto tau 2, then any pair of points symmetric with respect to tau 1 are mapped by T onto a pair of points symmetric with respect to tau 2. We see the proof. Let Z2, Z3, Z4 belongs to tau 1 implies Z and Z star are symmetric with respect to tau 1. Then we have Tz star T comma Tz2, Tz3, Tz4 equal to Z star Z2, Z3, Z4. Now this is, we take the bar of this, that is orientation Z, Z2, Z3, Z4 bar, which is again Tz, Tz2, Tz3, Tz2, Z4 bar. Hence Tz star and Tz are symmetric with respect to tau 2. Then orientation principle. Let tau 1 and tau 2 be two circles in C infinity and T be a Mobius transformation such that T of tau 1 equal to tau 2, then let Z1, Z2, Z3 be an orientation for tau 1, then T takes the right side and the left side of tau 1 onto the right side of tau 2 with respect to orientation Tz1, Tz2, Tz3. Then we see the definition. Definition. If tau be a circle, then an orientation for gamma is an order triple of points given by Z1, Z2, Z3 such that each ZJ is in top. Is in top. These 3 points give you direction. These 3 points gives a direction to top. That is why we go from Z1 to Z2 to Z3. Which is the definition of the orientation of for top.